Hello students, today we will discuss NTA NEET Abhyas Test 89 Chemistry Solutions. Myself Navneet Jain, and we will start from question number 1. There are 4 electronic configuration and we will choose those electronic configuration which violates the Aufbau principle. We know that Aufbau principle, the electrons are filling in lower energy state. After filling in lower energy state, the electrons are filling in higher energy state. So the option D is the answer which violates the Aufbau rule. Electrons are filling in 2p orbital before filling in 2s orbital. So the electronic configuration which is given in option D is violates the Aufbau principle, which suggests that electrons are filling in lower energy state than in higher energy state. Question number 2. Which one of the following is shortest carbon-carbon bond length here? In benzene, there are bond order is 1.5. C2H4, there are bond order is 2. Ethyne, there is bond order is 3. And in ethane, there is bond order is 1 in CC bond. So there are triple bonds, so bond length is short, and shortest carbon-carbon bond length in ethyne acetylene. More the bond order, shortest is the bond length. Bond order is inversely proportional to bond length. Question number 3. In the reaction sequence CH3, CH2, CH2Br, 1-bromopropane is react with AgCN. The product is isocyanide. KCN, if the KCN is taken instead of AgCN, then product is cyanide, and on hydrolysis of isocyanide, there is a HOH, then H2 and O. The product is propylamine, propanamine and formic acid, HCOOH. So the product is A, propylamine. So question number 3, the answer is A. Now we will move to question number 4. The oxidation state of molybdenum in its oxo complex is 2x minus 8, ethene is neutral, ammonia is neutral, is equal to minus 2. 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to plus 3. So the answer is B. Question number 5. When a standard solution of NaOH is left in air for a few hours, we know very well that NaOH is deliquescent in nature, which absorb the moisture. So the strength of the solution decreases. Strength of solution decreases since NaOH absorb moisture from atmosphere. NaOH is deliquescent in nature. Question number 6. Out of these, the correct match is Bayer's method. KMnO4 is used. Copper matte. Bayer's method is used for the leaching of aluminium, and in Bayer's process, aqueous solution of NaOH is used. Na2CO3 is wrong. Copper matte is correct. 98% Cu2S and 2% FeS, which then charged into base-Mayer converter. Van Erkel method is used for zirconium and titanium, and Thomas Lag law material for cement industry. No. Answer is B. Question number 7. A bottle of cold drink contains 200 ml liquid in which CO2 is 1 molar. So moles is 0.1 molarity, X is the moles, and volume is 200 and 1000. So moles of CO2 is equal to 0.02 moles of CO2, and we will calculate the volume in liter. ठीक है, we know very well that 0.02 moles of CO2 and we know very well that the volume of 1 mole of CO2 at STP is 22.4 liter. So 0.02 into 22.4, which is equal to 0.448 liter. The option B is correct. Question number 8. Which among the following reagent can convert alkyl halide into alkane? Bu3SNH is the correct answer. Na dry ether is the correct answer. Gilman reagent is the correct answer. All of these. If we mention the reaction 1-bromopropane is react with sodium and dry ether, there is a Wurtz reaction and the product is hexane. In Gilman reagent, Corehouse reaction, R minus is attack on this carbon and the product is this. And Bu3 SNH, H minus is attack on this carbon, so the product is propane. All of these alkyl halide into alkane. Question number 9. Which of the following is correct statement? F2 has higher bond dissociation energy than Cl2. No. Cl2 has higher bond dissociation enthalpy than F2. F has greater electron affinity than Cl. No. Chlorine has higher electron affinity than fluorine. HF is stronger acid than HCl. No. On moving in a group from top to bottom in group 17 hydrides, the acidity is increases due to the decrease in bond dissociation enthalpy. Boiling point increases down the group in halogens. Which of the following is correct statement? Boiling point increases down the group in halogen due to the increase in molecular mass. There is an increase in van der Waals force of attraction and boiling point increases. So option D is correct. Question number 10. Equivalent mass of KMnO4 in acidic medium, MnO4 minus is converted to Mn2 plus. Strongly basic, MnO4 2 minus, magnetine plus 6, and neutral, MnO2 plus 4 oxidation state. From plus 7 to plus 2, equivalent mass is the molecular mass upon change in oxidation state. So there is change is 1 by 5 is to 1 by 1 is to 1 by 3, which is equal to 3 is to 15 is to 5. Option D is correct. Change in oxidation state in acidic medium is plus 5 and in strongly basic medium is plus 1 and in neutral medium is plus 3. So the equivalent mass is equal to molecular mass. Molecular mass is same for all the substances are KMnO4. So 3 is to 15 is to 5. We'll move to question number 11. AgCl on fusion with sodium carbonate gives silver carbonate Ag2CO3, which ultimately converts into Ag plus CO2 plus O2. AgCl on fusion with sodium carbonate. Fusion means high temperature. So the option C is correct. Question number 12. In the given reaction, 2-phenyl ethanoic acid is react with ammonia and form PHCH2 COO minus NH4 plus. On heating, elimination of water take place and the product is PHCH2 C double bond O NH2. P2O5 is a dehydrating agent and removes water from amide in the presence of P2O5 and the product is PHCH2 C triple bond N. Any option is C. So the answer is C for question number 12. Question number 13. Which of the following compound does not produce oxyacid of central atom on hydrolysis? BF3 is correct, NCl3 is incorrect. In NCl3, nitrogen is more electronegative than chlorine. When we will react with water, the lone pair of oxygen is react with chlorine instead of nitrogen, and central atom is nitrogen. And in the question that mentioned that which of the following compound does not produce oxyacid of central atom, so the answer is NCl3. For the formation of oxyacid, the lone pair of oxygen of water will attack on the central atom of the molecule. which contains positive charge, but in NCl3 nitrogen contains negative charge. Question number 14th. The equilibrium constant for the ionization of aliphatic amines RNH2 in water is 8 into 10 raised to the power -6 at 25 degrees Celsius. Partial pressure of amine at equilibrium is 0.5 bar. The pOH of the aqueous solution is. Question number 14. RNH2 gas plus H2O liquid gives RNH3 plus and OH minus. This is 0.5 X and X. So equilibrium constant is 8 into 10 raised to power -6, which is equal to x square upon 0.5. So the x is equal to 0.5 into 8 into 10 to the power -6 of under root, which is equal to 2 into 10 raised to the power -3. X is the concentration of OH minus. We will apply pH formula. pOH is equal to negative logarithm of hydroxide ion, negative log of 2 into 10 raised to the power -3, which is 2.7. So answer is A. Question number 15. Consider the following reaction and select incorrect statement about gas P. When zinc is reacted with dilute HNO3, zinc nitrate and P is nitrous oxide N2O and H2O. Gas is nitrous oxide. Given neutral solution in water, this statement is correct. Contains more O2 than air. This statement is also correct. Forms brown ring with FeSO4 solution. No. This statement is incorrect, since brown ring is formed with nitrate and nitrite ion. Brown ring is formed with nitrate and nitrite ion. So brown ring is formed with forms brown ring with FeSO4 solution. Brown ring test is used for NO2, nitrate ion and nitrite ion. So this option is incorrect. Question number 16. Conversion of isobutylene into isobutyl alcohol. Hydroboration oxidation. BS3 followed by H2O2 and OH minus. Addition of water according to Anti-Markovnikov rule. Question number 17. The incorrect statement regarding X. X is B2H6. Highly toxic gas. 12 electrons are involved in the bonding. 3 to the 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. This statement is correct. 4 2 center 2 electron bond. This statement is also correct. This is the structure of diborane. There are 4 2 center 2 electron bond and 2 3 center 2 electron bonds. 2 3 center 2 electron bond. This is correct. X does not react with ammonia. No. X react with ammonia and form borazine. So option D is answer. Borazine is B3N3H6, which is inorganic benzene. Question number 18th. Propine is react with sodamide. It forms sodium propionide, which will react with 1-bromopropane. There is a SN2 reaction and the product is CH3CH2 CH2C triple bond C CH3 hex 2 ine. Hex 2 ine. Answer A is correct. Question number 19th. 1 mole of methanol when burnt in oxygen gives out 723 kilojoule per mole heat. If 1 mole of oxygen is used, what will be the amount of heat evolved? We will write the equation of combustion of methanol of 1 mole O2 gives CO2 plus H2O. On balancing, 2 moles of H2O and 3/2 moles of O2. We know very well that 1 mole of O2, and for the 3/2 moles of O2 will liberate 723 kilojoule per mole of heat. So 1446 is divided by 3, which is equal to 482 kilojoule. The option B is correct. Question number 20. When HCl is titrated with NaOH conductometrically, then the graphical representation, the titration will be: first of the conductance decreases when we add HCl in NaOH solution, then conductivity increases. So answer A is correct. Question number 21. Which of the following effects are possible for orthonitrophenol? This is the structure of orthonitrophenol. Minus I effect, nitro group shows minus I effect and minus R effect both. Intramolecular hydrogen take place with this manner. All of these. Question number 22. Angular momentum has dimension of, angular momentum is m into v into r is equal to nh upon 2 pi. N and 2 pi is dimensionless, so h, Planck constant. Angular momentum has dimensions of Planck constant. N and pi is dimensionless, so option C is correct. 23. The stability of particular oxidation state of a metal in aqueous solution is determined by enthalpy of sublimation of metal, right? Ionization energy, right? Enthalpy of hydration, right? All of these. Question number 24. Insulin dissolved in a medium shows osmotic pressure is C gram per centimeter cube, concentration in 300 Kelvin, temperature. The slope of plot of pi against C is 4.1 into 10 to the minus 3. Molecular mass of insulin is, we know very well that pi v is equal to nRT and volume in centimeter cube. Pi v upon 1000. So pi v is equal to W0 upon M0 into 1000 into RT. Pi is equal to W0 upon V 1000 RT by M0. Pi is equal to C 1000 RT upon M0. If we plotted pi against C, slope which will be equal to 1000 RT upon M0, 4.1 into 10 raised to the power minus 3, 1000 into 0.082 into 300 upon M0. So M0 is equal to 6 into 10 raised to the power 6, which is option B. Question number 25. 2 isomeric ketone pentane 2-on and pentane 3-on. Pentane 2-on contains CH3 C double bond group. So this compound will give iodoform test, and 3-pentanone does not give iodoform test. So answer is A. Question number 25. Question number 26. Benzaldehyde is reacted with Na2FeCO whole 4. An ester is formed. This is a modification of Cannizzaro reaction, and this reaction is known as Tishenko reaction. In this reaction, PHCH2OH and PHCH2COOH formed. An elimination of water take place. So ester will form esterification. Oxidation of 1 mole of benzaldehyde and reduction of 1 mole of benzaldehyde. So this is the answer, Tishenko reaction, which is the modification of Cannizzaro reaction. Question number 27. Which of the following plays significant role in depletion of ozone layer oxides of nitrogen? Among the carbonates of alkali metal, which one has the highest thermal stability? On moving in a group from top to bottom in alkali metals and alkaline earth metals, the stability of carbonate increases since larger anion is stabilized by larger cation. So maximum thermal stability is cesium carbonate, CS2O3. Question number 29. Efficiency of the following cells is 84%. Then the standard electrode potential of the cell will be efficiency is equal to delta G naught is divided by delta H naught, which is equal to minus NF E naught upon delta H naught. 0.84 is the efficiency, 84%, and N is number of electron transfer. A is converting to A2 plus, so N, the value of N is 2. Farad is 96500. E naught we have to calculate, and delta H naught, which is given in question, 285 in kilojoule. We will convert it in this in joule, 285 with negative sign into 10 raised to power 3. So on solving this expression, E naught is equal to 1.24 volt. Question number 30. An acid solution of pH 6, so H3O plus is equal to 10 raised to power minus 6 capital M. Diluted to 1000 times, the pH of final solution becomes 1000 times, so divide by 1000, so H3O plus is equal to 10 raised to power minus 9 molarity. So pH, for the calculation of pH we have to take as hydronium ion 10 raised to power minus 7 from water. This is very low value for hydronium ion, so pH is equal to negative log of 10 raised to power minus 9 molarity from this and 10 to the power minus 7 molarity from water. So the value is negative log is 10 to the power minus 9 plus 10 to the power minus 7, which is equal to 6.95. Option A is correct. Question number 31. The total number of isomer of the aromatic compound having molecular formula C7H8O DBE is equal to 7 2s are 14 plus 16, 8 by 2, 4 dB. So the compound is benzene contain 4 dB. First one is anisole, second one is benzyl alcohol, third one is orthocresol, metacresol and paracresol. So answer is 5. Answer is D. Question number 32. Which one of the following alkene is most stable? Hyperconjugation structures 0, 3, 6 and 6. But if the hyperconjugation structure is same, the anion formed in C is, we will make 1 hyperconjugation structure of both. This is C option. If this bond is moved to this moved to carbon, so the hyperconjugation structure is negative H, C, H plus, H and H, H and Me. And if we draw the hyperconjugation structure of D, then this H is moved to this side and this carbon is shifting to this. So hyperconjugation structure of D is double bond C, H plus, H, H and CH3. This carbanion is 1 degree and this carbanion is 2 degree, and we know very well that 1 degree carbanion is more stable than 2 degree. So the option D is correct. Question number 33. During micelle formation, Micelle formation enthalpy change is positive and entropy change is negative. Option D is correct. There is an aggregation of sodium stearate on micelle formation of detergents. So question number 34, the graph between log T half and log A at a given temperature is. Half-life is directly proportional to initial concentration. So the order of reaction is 0, and we know very well that for a zero order reaction, the rate of reaction will remains constant with passage of time. This reaction is a zero order reaction. Question number 35. Esterification, OH of carboxylic acid and H of alcohol. So which option? Breaking of OH bond of A and OH bond of B? No. Breaking of CO bond of A and CO bond of B? No. Breaking of OH bond of A, right, and CO bond of B. Option C is correct. Question number 36. N plus C6H5 pH CH2 N Me Me and CH2 CH3. Major product on heating N plus. This is a Hofmann elimination. This is Hofmann elimination, and we know very well that in Hofmann elimination least substituted alkene is the major product. So the product is CH2 double bond CH2. Ethene is the answer. B. Bases react with in Hofmann elimination least substituted alkene obtained as a major product. Question number 37. Select correct statement for this and this. In both compounds, secondary valency is satisfied by only NH3. No. Chlorine is also able to satisfy secondary valency. In both complex compounds, Cl- are satisfy only primary valency, right? Primary valency is satisfied by only Cl- ion. Compound Cl- are satisfy only primary valency. No, Cl- ion is also capable of secondary valency. In both complex compound, primary valency is satisfied by only Cl-. Primary valency is ionizable and is satisfied by only anion. So option C is correct. Question number 38. Propine is react with Grignard acid base reaction. CH3C triple bond C minus of MgBr, which further is react with CO2. So the product is CH3C triple bond C double bond O MgBr on hydrolysis. The product is CH3C triple bond C COOH butyroinic acid. So product is C. Answer is C. Question number 38. Question number 39. In the Haber process of the ammonia manufacturing, the rate of disappearance of, we know very well that rate of disappearance of DN2 is divided by dt is equal to 1 by 3 rate of disappearance of hydrogen, and rate of formation of ammonia is 1 by 2 DNH3 is divided by dt. This expression is equal to 2 into 10 raised to power minus 4. The rate of disappearance of N2 and H2, rate in terms of H2 मोल लीटर इनवर्स सेकेंड इनवर्स H2 का, तो DH2 is divided by dt is equal to 3/2 times of 2 into 10 to the power minus 4. So answer is 3 into 10 to the power minus 4, and dn2 is divided by dt is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 is divided by 2. So answer is 10 to the power minus 4 mole liter inverse second inverse. Mole liter inverse and second inverse. 3 into 10 to the power minus 4 and 1 into 10 to the power minus 4. So the option B is correct for question number 39. Question number 42. The period number and group number of tantalum Z is equal to 73, which belongs from D block. And the electronic configuration is tantalum is xenon 4F14 5D3 6S2. So group number is 5 and period number is 6. Option C is correct for question number 40. 41. Which one of the following will not form Grignard reagent with magnesium and dry ether? We know very well that vis dihalide forms alkenes with magnesium. So 1,2-dibromoethane is unable to form. Product is MgBr2 and ethene. So option 1 will not able to form Grignard reagent. Option number 2, CH2 Br and Br. On reaction with magnesium, MgBr2 removes and there is a formation of cyclopropane. 1 electron on this carbon, 1 electron on this carbon. So option 2 is also unable to form Grignard reagent. In option 3, there is a elimination of MgBr2 and benzene is formed. So 1, 2 and 3 will not form Grignard reagent with magnesium and dry, and 4th will able to form Grignard reagent. So answer is C. Question number 42. A non-stoichiometric compound Cu1.8 sulfide is formed during incorporation of Cu2 plus ion in the lattice of cuprous sulfide. What percentage of Cu? इधर Cu plus 1 आना चाहिए. What percentage of Cu2 plus ion of the total copper contained is present in the compound? So let we assume Cu2 plus is X. So Cu plus 1 is 1.8. 1.8 minus X. 2X plus 1.8 minus X is equal to 2. X is equal to 0.2. X is equal to 0.2. Percentage of Cu2 plus 1.8 0.2 into 100 is equal to 11.11%. Option B is correct. Question number 43. Para-nitrobenzaldehyde is react with anhydride. There is a Perkin reaction and the product is cinnamic acid derivative. Para-nitro pH. So option D is correct. In this reaction, PHCH2, C double bond O, O C double bond O, CH2PH. Enolate of this is will react with, enolate is PH, this enolate will attack on benzaldehyde and the product is D. Perkin reaction is out of syllabus for NEET. Which one of the following compound behave as an electrophile as an electrophile and nucleophile? Acetone. CH3CO is the nucleophilic center, carbon is the electrophilic center. So product is A. Question number 45. Phenol is react with carbon tetrachloromethyl reaction. Product is salicylic acid and then esterification with methanol. So COOCH3. Product is C. So this will complete the NT-NEET Abhyas test 89. I think so 150 plus a good score in this paper. Moderate difficulty level paper.